timely and relevant yung balita na yan kasi a lot of yung daughters or sons ng mga corrupt officials ay they're living the life habang tayo nagpapahirap tayo mag-pay ng taxes natin para lang masuportahan yung lifestyle na meron sila. And ito yung tip kung paano gumawa ng resume na tiyak na makaka-get in sa inyo sa work as a freelancer. Let's stop funding luxury and start building our legacies, your skills, your future, and your freedom.